In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the paper size before printing in Excel. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you often find yourself needing to print documents in various formats besides the usual letter size. So let's get started. To begin, you'll need to open the worksheet or workbook that you plan to print. This step is crucial because any changes you make in terms of format or layout will apply specifically to the document you currently have open. Once your Excel file is ready, direct your attention to the top of your screen and click on the File tab. This action takes you into the Backstage area of Excel. Here, you'll find a variety of options related to file management, such as saving, sharing, and importantly, printing. Next, from the File tab, go ahead and select the Print option. This step is vital as it brings you to the Print Settings page, where all the customizations happen. On this page, you should see a default paper size option, usually labeled Letter, which is commonly used in many regions. By clicking on this, you'll reveal a drop-down menu brimming with various paper sizes to pick from. Take a moment to browse through this drop-down menu. You'll observe a wide range of choices, including envelope sizes, index cards, and photo paper, among others. This array of options provides you with the flexibility to print on the exact type of paper that meets your specific needs, whether they are professional, personal, or creative. As you explore different paper sizes, it's helpful to keep an eye on the Print Preview pane located on the right side of your screen. This pane dynamically updates to demonstrate precisely how your document will appear on the selected paper size. It acts as a visual checkpoint to ensure everything looks perfect before you go ahead with the printing, ultimately saving you from unnecessary reprints and conserving resources. After you've settled on a suitable paper size, the final step is to click Print. Your document will subsequently be sent to your default printer with the new settings you've applied. And that's all there is to it. This process might be straightforward, but understanding how to adjust these settings empowers you with greater control over the presentation of your documents and data on paper. I hope you found these instructions easy to follow and beneficial. If you're interested in seeing similar guides in another format, just let me know. I'm here to make your experience with Excel as smooth and efficient as possible. Happy printing!